Hello guys, again here we go. The 70 liters steel gas tank of a car is filled to the top with gasoline at 20 degrees Celsius. The car sits in the sun and the tank reaches a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. How much gasoline do you expect to overflow from the tank? Now, here we start by calculating the gasoline expansion. Now, gasoline, let me take another pen. Gasoline expansion, which is change in volume is equals to coefficients of volume expansion multiply by V naught, which is the volume, multiplied by change in temperature, which this one, if we substitute, we get that the coefficient of volume expansion for gasoline is 950 multiplied by 10 raised to power negative 6 degrees Celsius multiplied by volume of which is 70 liters multiplied by change in temperature, which is 40 minus 20 degrees Celsius. Here we get volume of gasoline to be 1.3 liters. Now that one is the volume of gasoline expansion. Now then we go for the tank expansion, which is it is steel tank. It is made of steel. Then the volume, change in volume, is equals to coefficients of volume expansion multiplied by volume multiplied by change in temperature, which if you substitute, we get that the coefficient of volume expansion for steel, it is 35 multiplied by 10 raised to power negative 6 degrees Celsius multiplied by volume, which is 70 liters multiplied by change in temperature of 40 minus 20. Here we get 0.049 liters. Now, after this, we calculate the volume or liters of gasoline, that overflowed. This one we take the amount of gasoline that expand minus the amount minus the volume of the tank, which is 1.3 minus 0.049, which will give us 1.251 liters. Now this one is the amount of gasoline, the amount of gasoline that overflowed